everybody. I'm going to film a little bit of my kitchen. These are some pieces from a series. I love them. They look pretty bad right now because I have to clean the floor from the dogs eating something there. I have another shelf that needs to be put up, and because they don't all fit there. Anyway, kitchen. Here's some stuff and some glasses I made and some I didn't make. And jars of food. Let's see, plants. These are from a dumpster in America at an art college. They are ceramic and yeah, very beautiful, I think. And they were bleached. And they have even holders on the back, or hangers, I suppose you'd say. So there's that. And, if anybody can guess what this is, I bought it without knowing what it was. It's pretty heavy. It is stainless steel. And that one there. And that one there on the right. Okay. This was also from the dumpster from that school. This piece here was also in the dumpster from the school. I'm an extremely talented trash picker. This is actually broken. It should have been taller. Beautiful. Yeah. There's a lamp. Looks yellow. It's white, but yeah. I collect mortars and pestles and glass and ceramic things. Let's see. I better be careful. I don't want to film myself here. Excuse me. I am perpetually... I'm going to move something for a second. Hold on. Just look at that. Electric water heater. Okay, I'm moving something. Perfect. That's a toaster in this country. These bottles here, they're from wine. These as well. They have salt in them. And they are used by me to protect the wall, which is simply brick painted. So that's what I do about that. Another mortar and pestle. This one is very delicate. I love it very much. There's my husband as a tiny boy. And this says, age is just a number that makes you feel bad about yourself because, bleep, you're old. That's from a card somebody sent me. I think that's pretty cool. This is an oil lamp. And, yeah, medicine jars. Pots, 2 pewter toys. These are, some of them are original. They are apothecary jars, and in Latin. And, yeah, a stained glass window I got in the garbage here. What else? I make my own soap dispensers. When I use clear things, I actually mix up soaps to make a certain color. And that's pretty crazy. I made that. It's really silly. But it works well. Pasta. I should change the pasta. The pasta's old now, so, but it's a knife rack in a bent bamboo thing. Let's see. This is hanging there. And another lamp. And just a potato scrubber. Let's see if I can make this work. The light's not on right now. That's a shame. The light is in the tall one.